Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can record credit card liabilities in FreshBooks. So let's get started. To record credit card liabilities in FreshBooks, open the Expenses tab and connect your credit card using Bank Connections. This allows FreshBooks to automatically sync your transactions. Record each purchase as an expense and select credit card as the payment method. Then enter the vendor, amount, and expense category. These expenses build up as liabilities that you can track over time. Use the expense report to view your outstanding balance and monitor your credit card spending. When you pay your credit card bill, record the payment to your credit card company. This offsets the liability and keeps your records updated. At the end of the month, reconcile your FreshBooks entries with your credit card statement to ensure everything is accurate. FreshBooks tracks credit card liabilities through expenses and payments, making it a simple solution for freelancers and small business owners. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.